Christine, you wanted to know more about the Akashic classes. I promise I'm getting ready to send you something in the email about that. But essentially what it's going to be is learning to read your Akashic records. We're going to start with that. We will be using a pendulum. There are many ways to access your Akashic records, but in the beginning, a pendulum is the fastest and easiest way to get the answers. And it will help you to get over that space of doubt and building trust. And of course, you'll get a lot of wrong answers in the beginning, and that's part of what we'll be going through and practicing, because that will build your trust level so that when you get to the place where you actually just want to communicate, to channel, you will have more trust and faith in the answers. And you notice I have my pendulum while we're here. I always have my pendulum. Even if I'm not asking for a specific answer, I find it's a good focus point. It helps me to focus. So we'll be working with the pendulums. We will be going through and talking about the gifts. And then after that, for anybody who wants to move on, I'm going to create a membership group where we can come together, because I want us all to expand upon our understanding and our practice of using our gifts, so that we can all step more fully, that we can embody our gifts and express them to the fullest extent that we can in our present level of vibrational frequency. So I'm really excited to get it started, but there are pieces that are being real kludgy right now about coming together. So that's been the holdup. But my plan is to get it out before the holidays, because I really want us to do this before the beginning of the year, so that we can start the new year in a shifted place, because we all know 2020 is going to be something extra special energetically. And I believe this will help to set the stage for us to get there quicker. So thanks for asking, and I promise it's coming soon.